In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an estimate to Excel and Stack. This will be a straightforward guide to help you effortlessly transition your project estimates from the Stack platform to Excel, enabling you to harness the analytical power of Excel for further calculations or reporting. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the Stack website where you'll need to log in. You'll see the usual login options, and for ease, we suggest logging in with Google. If you have a Google account, simply click on the Login with Google button. This method saves time and avoids the hassle of remembering another set of login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see a list of all your projects. From this list, go ahead and click on the specific project you want to work with. This will take you to the main project page where you can manage various aspects of your project, but for today, our focus will be on the Estimates section. Now locate and click on Estimates within your project. This is where you'll generate new project estimates or manage existing ones. To create a new estimate, click on New Estimate. This initiates a new worksheet that you can tailor to your project's needs. Once inside the worksheet view, you have the flexibility to make important adjustments. Whether it's modifying the purchase quantity, tweaking the rate, or adjusting the unit cost, this is where you have the freedom to ensure your numbers are precise and aligned with project requirements. Don't hesitate to double check these numbers, as this will ensure the data you export is both accurate and useful. Now onto the exporting process. Look towards the upper right corner of the worksheet page. You'll notice 3 dots arranged vertically. This is typically referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Export option. This is where you have the opportunity to choose how you want your data exported. For our purposes, be sure to select the format labeled Excel as. This ensures that your estimate will be saved in a format compatible with Microsoft Excel, allowing you to open, modify, and work with it later. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your estimate from Stack into an Excel-friendly format. This method is efficient and it allows you to leverage Excel's powerful tools for any in-depth data analysis or customized reporting you might need. Hopefully you find this process straightforward and beneficial for your day-to-day project management tasks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.